Paprika is here today to have a laparoscopic or keyhole spay procedure. This video diary will show you what happens during her stay with us. After being dropped off by her owner, she is settled into a large comfy kennel. The next step is to be given her pre-medication injection, which is a mixture of sedative and pain relief to get her ready for her anaesthetic. Of course, throughout the day, there is always plenty of time for lots of cuddles. Now she is feeling a bit sleepy, she's kept warm with cosy blankets. It is time for her intravenous catheter to be placed. This gives us access to her vein for her anaesthetic medications and if she needs any fluid support throughout her operation. A patch of fur on the front leg is shaved and the area cleaned for the catheter. Once asleep under anaesthetic, Paprika is placed in a specially designed table which positions her for her keyhole surgery. She is attached to constant monitoring equipment that helps the nurse to check her blood pressure, heart and breathing rates, as well as oxygen and carbon dioxide levels. Although the incisions for keyhole surgery are very small, a large area of hair has to be clipped from the abdomen to allow the ovaries to be positioned during the procedure. Here the nurse is cleaning the skin to prepare the site for sterile surgery. Keyhole surgery requires a lot of specialist equipment, and as well as the nurse monitoring the anaesthetic, there is the veterinary surgeon and their assistant performing the operation. 2 small incisions are made in the midline of the abdomen, through which the camera and laparoscopic forceps are introduced. The abdomen is inflated using carbon dioxide, which allows us to see all the organs very clearly. The special table turns the dog onto her side to allow access to the ovary. During a keyhole spay, the ovarian blood vessels are sealed to prevent bleeding and the ovaries are removed through the 1 centimetre incision port. There is minimal bleeding or discomfort compared to a traditional open spay. Shortly after her surgery, Paprika is sitting up and is offered a bowl of food. She will then go out to the garden for a walk to stretch her legs. We are lucky at Mulberry House to have an enclosed, quiet garden to take our patients out for fresh air. Paprika was resting at home later that afternoon. All dogs will come home with a protective shirt to wear after their spay to prevent them and other family pets from licking their surgical site. The next day, Paprika is out for a walk on the lead. One of the main benefits of keyhole surgery is the much reduced recovery time. 3 days after surgery, they can be off lead and running around.